Hello Srishti, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Okay, I'm fine too, ma'am. Okay, let's start with our introduction first. Myself, Rukaya, and I'm a mass educator today. And I'm a MSc gold medalist, and I have experienced more than 5 years in this field. And I also taught many students in OTO sessions, and also I'm an matter expert. Subject matter expert in other reputed edtech companies. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, ma'am. Okay, Srishti. Today we are going to understand the topic of the chemistry. But before starting it, I would like to ask you that a little small question regarding your future. Actually, what would you like to have a profession in your future life, and why? Okay, that's interesting. Okay, a genetic engineer is really good occupation, I think so. But why do you want to become that? Okay, you have taken the maths and biology together. That's amazing. It's really good for our nation also. Yeah, I hope you will become that one. Sure, sure. Okay, Shrishti, we will start with our topic today. Our topic is acid and bases. Here is the introductory part of this session. Okay, so can you tell me what is acid and what is base? What do you understand by it? Yes, you heard the word acid many times. Can you give me an example of any of them? Yes, citric acid. Second one. Yes, HCl. Can you tell me what is its full form? Hydrochloric acid, correct. And another one you are not getting. It's all right, no problem. You had given the two example of acid. It's fine. Can you give me example of base? Base we used to use every day in our life. No, it's fine. Base is basically the example of base is the soap which we used to do everyday life. Yeah. So let's start with our topic and understand the core concept of it. So here you can see example of acids. Actually, why am I giving this? So that you can understand what is acids basically. So acid is what? Papaya, strawberry, oranges, grapefruit, sandthorn, briar, kiwi, Brussels sprouts, sweet pepper, even your vinegar. These all are the acids. Okay. So you had given the example of citric acid. So where this citric acid is found? In oranges. Second, lemon. Correct, correct. You are correct. And can you tell me which type of acid is present in vinegar? Okay, vinegar is the diluted form of acetic acid. Okay, and here I have given the picture of salt. Can you tell me what is the meaning of salt is here? No, you are not able to say that. Okay, salt is basically the mixture of both acid and bases. So when any acid and base are combined, then it form salt. What they form? Like this: acid plus base is equals to salt. You have to remember this. Okay. Okay, and can you give me one more example of acid? Yeah, you can see the picture also. This in this picture, let me explain to you that it contain a container in which some liquid, plumpy liquid is present. Can you say that which kind of liquid is it? No, it's not. It is actually your milk. Okay, whenever you had seen that curd is formed from the milk. How? Because the curd consists of lactic acid. This lactic acid converts the milk from curd. Okay, so if your mother used to make curd at her home, so how she made it? She took a bowl of bowl of milk in it, and she used to put a spoon of curd into it, and they left it for a 24 hours or 12 hours a day. Okay, and then it become a curd. It is because this curd, this milk actually, milk is converted into the curd due to lactic acid bacteria. These bacteria actually produce the lactic acid. Okay, so this is the minor examples of the day-to-day life examples of acids. Now we will proceed towards the acid and base definitions, which is most important. Okay, so can you tell me the definition of acid and base? Okay. Yeah, you are right. The acid are those which contain hydrogen containing substances. Okay, they are hydrogen containing substances, and they used to donate a proton. Yes, correct. They used to donate a proton to another substance to become an acid. So whatever the atom they have, they used to donate its proton and become an acid. Acidic substances are usually identified by the SAR test. Okay, you had to taken the vinegar and oranges and lemon and curd. These all are what? These are all correct. SAR test. Yeah, correct. So basically, a molecule which can donate H positive ion, that is protons ion, and can remain energetically favorable after a loss of proton. See, energetically favorable means they already have electrons, but they donated their protons. Can you tell me what are the subatomic particles of the atom? Correct, correct, bilkul correct. um, the atom consists of electron, proton and neutron, and when it when it give its electron, it is energetically active. Okay, so it is different, it forms a chemical bonding and different things when it donates its electron, but when it donates its proton, it become acid. Okay, so how do we understand that it is acid or it is base? Yes, correct answer. That in acid, it converted the blue litmus paper into the red one. Okay, blue litmus paper we used to dip into the acid, and when it convert into the red color, it show that it is a acid. Okay, like this. Now the next topic is base. Yes, base is what? Just vice versa of the acid. Yes, correct. Acid are those which accept the hydrogen ion from an acid. Yes, correct, correct. So already I had given an example of base. What was that? Yes, salt, soap. Yes, and salt we had used for the combination of acid and base. You are correct, correct. So bases are characterized by the bitter taste. As you can see, that acid consists of sour taste and base consists of bitter taste. Correct. Okay, so when these bases, you had seen that soap is used to dissolve into the water. Okay, so it basically called alkali. Yes, so alkali and base are basically both are same, but when it dissolve into the water only, then it is said to be the alkali. Okay, yes. Okay, these substances which chemically react with each other, that is acid and base, they form salt. Yes, and what is the indication of base? It convert red litmus paper into blue litmus paper. You are correct, you are correct. So yes, what's your question? Okay, okay, you got confused between these litmus paper. It's a always confusing question. Actually, when I was younger also, I had the same problem. Yes, you can remember it by B. What I had learned? B. B for base and B for blue and blue. You will learn that whatever the base, okay, whatever the thing is base, it will convert in the blue only. So if you see any liquid which converts the litmus paper into the blue one, so it's said to be the base. Yes, you are correct. Okay, you're so stunning. Okay, so this is the end of our session. I hope you liked the session, and I would like to get the feedback from you also. And yeah, yes, you like it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, I hope you like it the session. Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay. You have given the you have to give the ratings. Your ratings is very important for me. And if you wanted to replay this session also, you need to give the feedback and rating. Yes, this rating is basically for both of us because we are able to get what we need. Actually, it is also very important for me as well. So how was the session, Srishti? Do you like it? Thank you so much. Now, Srishti, can you please call your mother so that I could talk to her about this session? Yes. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Ma'am, this session with Srishti was very interesting. She is very smart girl, and her basic are already cleared, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, sure, correct. And she wants to learn more actually. She have that passion to learn something that she could achieve her goals. Yes, she gave answers. She gave answers very quickly, and as you can see, these are the student only. These are child. They know the basic, but some of the basics they don't have a correction. Yeah, her basics are cleared. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Some places are there where she do not able to give the answers. Yeah, actually she knows the answer, but she is not able to deliver it. Yes, ma'am. Sure. Sure. Okay, ma'am. What is your expectation from me and from my organization? Okay. Okay, ma'am. Sure. Of course, we will work on it, ma'am. Definitely. Yeah, ma'am, sure. And for regarding Srishti, I will also provide her some homework assignments and worksheets so that she can improve her skills regarding some basics. And you can see this chemistry is the subject where you need to know the concept as well as you need to give the answer with the solutions, and the answer should be appropriate for your examination. Yes, ma'am, sure. I will definitely provide her some worksheet and assignment for her skills. She is very well, ma'am. She is very well. She knows the basic, and she could deliver everything. Just she need some guidance so she could get more like best in her. Yes, ma'am. You like the session? Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, regarding discount, the academic counselor will definitely contact you, ma'am, and you can get your answer through them. And discount, yeah, discount regarding it also they will provide you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, definitely. Your children is definitely very good, and she's very polite, and she's obeying, so that we are able to deliver the same thing which we need to give it to her. Yeah, she is very good. Yeah, by the way, this session with her was very interesting, and she just need to focus on her little bit um, topics. She needs some basic. Okay, she needs some guidance. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. I hope you will give the ratings to this session, ma'am. You like this session? Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, ma'am. Goodbye. Okay, bye, Srishti.